Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys how I put together this digital kit. This is actually a printable for planner pages for the next 2 months for basically, oops, I got this one wrong. So for basically January and February, I kind of like to go small like that and just make like a small one like this, and just for a month or two at a time. So they're kind of smaller and easier to work with. So all my these pages are basically blank, so you can actually mix match them for future months if you'd like. And so I started out with this. This would be basically the cover page once you fold it. So your 2021 dream plan, do be inspired. Would be my monthly, and it feels a little bit complicated, but it really isn't. If you look at my digital kit, I will give you page numbers, so it'll be like page 1, which will be this one, and I also titled it. I named it, I think, oh, I can't remember now. I think that I named it the title page or cover page, something like that. So anyway, so this would be my first page because it's the cover page, and when you open it, this would be the first page. But anyways, this would be one. This would be one front, and then this would be one back. Because when I lay them down like this, that's kind of, this is the first one I start with. So if you take basically one front and print it out, you'll get this. And then take the paper, turn it over in your printer and feed it through again and print one back. And then you'll get them, you should get them colgated so that they basically, when you fold them, they are in order. So you'll get the weeklies in order and then the next month in order. And then at the end, I'm going to have basically just some blank pages. I like to doodle. My daughter likes to doodle, so I just left the extra pages blank for kind of doodling and notes. Okay, so basically for January, I have the month of January is 1 through 31 days, but I have basically 5 weeks in here. So the last day, the 31st, I actually just added over here. Because I didn't want to make it longer and take up this space, but then not use up that space. So that's just kind of like what worked for me. And so basically, yeah. So this is my February monthly, and so basically, here it is, and just fold them, fold all the pieces. Joshua, you want to ask Samantha if she chose her paper yet? Please ask her. Tell her I'm trying to bind it now.
No, she wasn't sure you wanted her to pick one, and
what's the paper for? Oh, cover?
Just a cover. See how I have my cover?
Yeah, it's
pick
a little book for every month.
This is just for January and February.
Okay.
So just pick one that I can give you. Do you want me to write the date and the month, or you're going to do it? You don't like my writing. Seriously? You like that one?
Kind of. I'm not sure, but that's an option.
Okay, let's tear it out for now. Okay, so she might be using this one. She likes that one, so that might be an option.
Hi, are you filming this?
Yes, I am.
Why, hello. What is this, a collab? This is a featuring me.
So she likes this one as a cover. Maybe she'll use that one. And here are all the pages. Okay, grab it. You can decide later. And so basically, I just folded everything in half. And then, you know, you can go like this and do the spine like that.
Oh, I guess. I was thinking of, actually, no, I don't know.
So look, do you know what I'm saying?
Yes. I do
So
know
I
exactly what
cut
you're
a
saying.
strip like this.
What is with
What's
the
with the
mint? I
green?
feel like I don't know why my bike is green, my helmet is green, my headphones are green. It's like, what is with like this mint aqua green? I don't even choose it half of the time. It's just usually the nicest of like whatever there is.
Okay, so which one are you gonna go with?
Oh,
You
I
gotta
like this
choose
one
like
too.
one or two.
I know, but I'm just trying to like look at them so I don't lose them because they're all so pretty, you know?
It's supposed to go real fast, like 2 minutes and we're done. Come on, come on.
I have personality. Maybe they'll like me.
Okay, what else are we doing here?
These pinks, maybe I'll just save for like March or something because now we're going to different colors.
Okay.
Okay, I like these blues.
Okay, look, super simple. I just use one, but you can add like a little like thing like that on the edge. So which one will it be? Okay, this one. Wow, I can't believe you're taking so long.
I don't know. Mostly because I have to see how they like look as an actual book. You know what I
Okay,
mean?
fine. Look, you can go like this. You want to see better how they look. Do you see that?
Yes.
You should match me. I got the pink, you get the green.
No, I don't want this one.
That's what my mom
Maybe
would do.
I'll-
When me and my sister, when me and Maria were little, she used to give me the blues and greens, and Maria would
That
get
was
the
in
pinks
Laura Ingalls, where
Maria
the
would get
blonde
the-
one would get
Yes.
the pink and the brown would get the blue.
Yes,
That
I
I
never
remember
realized
that.
why,
I
but-
always.
Maria always got burgundy and pinks and reds, and I always got the blues and the pinks. So I thought blues and greens weren't as pretty. I can't see what you're doing. Let me record.
I like these ones the best, but that's kind of pretty.
Yes. Should we reinforce the spine?
Huh?
Should I reinforce the spine?
Yes.
I didn't do it for one.
You probably should.
No, because you can slip. As long, okay, that's fine, but don't jump and land on the ground with your socks.
I really
'Cause
like
that'll
this
make
paper,
you
but
slip.
maybe I'll use this for something else.
Okay, what? No, you can slip. No.
It's fine. Look, I don't slip.
Don't know.
can't
I
believe
know
this.
I'm indecisive. Once you
Such a-
tape it, it's going down. Okay, fine. I guess I'll do that.
You like those too?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Wait, or do I like it pointy? Don't.
This kind of looks nice too, though. Oh, we forgot about that.
Oh yeah, this is the. Give me
This
this. Give me
looks
this.
nice
I was
too,
looking
but
for
you
this
can
one.
go like this too and make a label.
Okay, maybe I'll do that. You're trying to get me to junk journal, totally.
Okay. No, you don't have to. Come on, let's just do it quick.
Okay, fine. Just do.
No, that looks slippery. Please don't. Okay, I'm gonna fold it. This one is pretty.
I know. I don't know if it vibes with me.
Okay, go with this. Go with this. Your first choice. I think Daddy's home and I gotta finish this video before he gets here.
Mom
Which
is
one?
like, I don't know. Can't see it as a book.
Wow, I never thought you would take so long. I'm like,
Mom, I take long with everything. How is this something new?
yes.
I want this one.
Which one? This?
These. I want this as the main cover, and then I want this as the spine.
Okay, so we're gonna fold it in half. That's not safe, please. And so, and then I'm gonna bind it with some twine, and I just kind of, here's my twine, and I'm just gonna go through the middle. I just eyeball it because I don't really care. This isn't like perfect. This, I'm not that careful how I write in it because it is my planner and I don't want to worry about that. There's times when things get busy and I just have to jot things down. So, okay, so I pull that through. Now, if I go, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut this. Going about it. So, and then I'm gonna go through the middle and come out here. And then I'm going to actually grab this one and thread this one too so I can tie it on the inside. And I like tying it on the inside. You don't have to, but you can go the other way too and add a charm to the end. But this is more functional than anything for me. So okay. So that's the twine. And so this is my super quick journal. Now I can take it to the paper cutter and just trim off some of the edges if I want. I'm not sure if I care to. And so here's my little planner, and basically it just took me a few minutes to print it out. And I will then just add the dates to them. So I'm just going to be numbering them now.